What's going on, YouTube? We're getting ready to go repo this 2008 Ford Escape. Let's go see how this thing goes. Let's go see how it goes. It could go bad, it could go good. I changed the casing on my camera. We're gonna see if this helps out. People are complaining about it was a little blurry. I'm trying my best. Y'all. Getting y'all the best quality videos that I can give y'all. I'm trying to sneak down in here a little bit because I know my truck's loud, which I'm gonna fix the muffler on it tomorrow. So we got a little bit of different things that I need to do. Front end of it sticking right out right there. So see how harder it's gonna be coming from this way. Like I said, though, I can do it either way. You're kidding me? Maybe not. See what you got on the front of that. Well, we got people coming out. I got it hooked. It's hooked. And she drives off. It's hooked. Do the thing. Do the thing. The game. She just hit my truck. Yeah. She just hit my truck.
Yeah, I see.
She just hit my truck. It's on camera. It's on camera. It's on camera. You just hit my truck. That's hit and run.
Yeah, they told me to bring my money Monday.
Drop it. That's hit and run.
God damn, Mom. They just took my money. They not getting my car.
We was the ones trying to talk to you before you done any of that.
But this don't happen. She will always come and take my car.
Pull this out, Glee. She hit my truck, man.
I didn't mean to.
I don't want to call the law out here because that's hit and run.
That's your car, baby. God damn, Mom.
You fucked your car up too. We was trying to talk to you. Watch out.
No, you weren't. You acting like you was getting ready to take it.
Yeah, we hook it up, then we talk. And then I talk to you.
Then you go hook it up again.
Yeah.
I got $300 right now.
I was going to tell you to get in touch with the dealership.
I talked to them this Friday and told them I would be there to get this car. Pay my car payment.
You tore all that shit up. Look at that, man. I don't want to call the law out here. I mean, that's it. She hit my truck. I understand that.
I said I was sorry. I would how much I need to pay.
You need to call the dealership. That's the best thing you can do. You keep it running, it's going to run hot. You lost all your water right here.
All the antifreeze goes. Now the car payment come back, but I got you for $50. And And they was like, okay, so when you will be there? I said, I will be there June 5th. And
don't lose that.
And everything was okay. I got a mechanic that worked on this car. Ever since I got this car, he looked at
I'm getting wet, man, and the freeze.
He looked at my car and everything. He told me I need a lot of work done on it. I need a lot of work done on it. And it's not, you don't even supposed to sell people cars like that if they need that much work done on it. Because he's a mechanic. As soon as I got it, I took it to him. He told me I need a lot of work done on it.
Excuse me, please.
And you think you just want to do that? I don't know, but what the hell is you going to do?
There wasn't no way to get, I mean, my boom was in the way. It wasn't no way to get out. I mean, that's what I was trying to tell you. Yeah, I mean, that's what I was trying to explain. You get them on the phone, they're the only ones that can call me off. And I was just going to hook up to it and let you do what you had to do. I wasn't going to pull off with it. I understand it's wrong.
Yeah, they probably agree with you on the phone. Be like, yeah, okay.
That's why I said I don't know why they didn't come. That's all they did.
You ain't the only one on the list.
I can show you. I can show you paperwork. I'm gonna be up there at 8 o'clock.
I mean, I had you hooked up on the hook. I mean, you weren't going to go anywhere anyway. I mean, that's the way I was looking at it. You're fine. I mean, that's the main reason I don't want the law to come. I mean, because we doing a job that we got to do.
Yeah, I understand it. Tell me the way you just went on there, you like, since we just put it on there. And that's what that did for them. I had the money right here for the people.
Call the people is all I can tell you to do. I mean, they tell me to drop it, I'm going to drop it. I mean, I got no choice but to drop it. Huh? I don't know if they answer. Huh? I mean, I'm hooking it up to it. That's the only thing I'm doing right now. You get them on the phone.
But my son got stuff in here.
Freaking camera kept cutting off, man. I don't know what's the matter with it. I got that on camera though. Look at that shit, man.
Yeah, busted that whole radio.
No, the thing went through the radiator.
Yeah, I know. I seen that. That motherfucker started smoking, huh? Yeah. I'm black. I'm finna run from that.
Yeah, that thing I gave us truck pure hell the other day too, getting it out of the backyard when it got stuck up. She knocked the hell out of that truck. She didn't break nothing. She didn't hurt this truck, but she hurt hers.
Yeah, I will wait.
That's my truck right there, is where she hit it.
Yeah.
That's
the whole damn grill. I'm surprised this didn't come off.
She's like, I thought I hit my wall. No, you hit my truck.
Boy, you could hear those boys doing like you couldn't believe it. Yeah, my truck. Well, I'm glad I wasn't in that motherfucker.
Huh? It is. Drug me into my truck.
I have to take my son to school. That's the only reason why. I can't. As soon as I took my son to school, I was going to be there. That's why.
I understand that, but I mean, you can't drive it now. It'll run hot. Oh, it laid that radiator wide open, bro. It laid it wide open. It laid it wide open, bro. Ain't no telling, man, because she stuck up my whole boom up in the truck.
I just had a man do a lot of work right here. This man just did a whole lot of work for this right here. And that's what I told him on the phone.
She hit it right here. It went in right here.
Do you know the other number? Because I only got one number.
Which number you got?
It's like a
I got shop number, but it's supposed to ring over to his cell phone.
Yeah, that's still right now.
Damn. Can't believe, man.
It's too damn good.
Give me that thing, man.
You know what?
We'll see what any kind of damage is done.
That's not right. And I told him that. Well, he can't really speak English, but I told the boy that can, I told him, like, that's where my car payment went. That's why y'all didn't get one, because I had to get this fixed, and I went to AutoZone to get new stuff on. So you know it killed me when I did that. So that's why I said, y'all will have a car payment. My grandma done gave me the money for it. No, that was already, see, that was already like that. It's a certain way that I have to do this so I can close my hood. I know how to do it. I will be able to do it. That was already broken. That's why I say it's a certain way that you
go get the thing inside.
The what?
The pops the hood.
That was broke too. No, he was talking about, what are you talking about in your truck?
Huh?
What are you talking about in your truck?
Yeah, you got it.
But you can, I'm sorry, you can go ahead and take it. Like I done called and called. Go ahead. Take it. Because I don't have time for that. I'm sorry for what I did. I am very sorry.
I ain't too much worried about it, I mean.
I'm glad you are.
And as long as you alright, I mean, I ain't too much worried about it.
People do this to me. every time, like they done took my car before, and I'm like, you're taking my car for nothing, and I'm coming to give you this money, and I talked to you on Friday, and told you money you will get. I get a check. My grandma get a check. That's how my grandma, she helped me. And my grandma the one that paid the money for it. So it's like you robbing my grandma.
You just gotta go up there and talk to him.
I will. But and plus, for me to get my tag, they said it was $360. I called to the DMV. It ain't even that much for my tag. Anyway around.
Well, we ain't gonna tell them nothing about this. So take your butt up to the mall, you can come back.
I will. I'll give you a hug. Because I'm sorry. You don't.
You a big ass baby. That's my baby mama boyfriend. I ain't gonna tell you no lie.
No, because it doesn't happen to me. Like I had a 2010 Jeep Compass. I got it from Drive Time.
Didn't you get a car through Best Way too?
Yeah. I had a car, like I went to a dealership, went on head out and did that. Don't you know? My car, it needs a whole transmission. And they told me that I need to pay $2,400 to get a transmission and still have a car payment. So I gave it back. And I told my grandma, just go get your car.
You got a key to it?
See if you driving on the bed.
Yeah.
Lord, smoke.
Huh?
Second.
I wouldn't. Just hold on. I'm gonna put it in gear. I ain't gonna drive it on. Run into my tow truck, man. That's crazy. I ain't never had nobody run into my tow truck. I ain't never had nobody run into my tow truck. I had them drive off the lift. I had them do everything. Pull it on there. Never had them drive off the tow truck. I mean, hit the tow truck. I've seen them drive off lifts. I've seen them do everything, man. But run into my truck, I hope that's on here. I hope. All I can do is hope and pray that I got it. Yeah, I was gonna say pitch it over there. Go ahead. Go ahead. Huh? Go ahead. Go ahead. All right, you good. All right. Crazy. Oh, you good? Oh, your plate?
No, because I told you I got to go. The DMV got me a tag because he told me $360 for a tag. So I had already called and got that situated. Like, how can somebody hide a tag?
Hold on till I tell you to pull.
What's your name?
Chad.
It won't happen again. You ain't gonna have to call me back because I'm getting ready.
Pull it.
I'm gonna have my grandma just go ahead.
Pull it.
I'm gonna pay that $300.
One more time.
And then I just got seven more $100. I'm gonna have my grandma go ahead and pay it off.
Okay.
That's what I'm gonna have my grandma do. Go ahead and pay it off.
I would. I wouldn't deal with him anymore. I wouldn't deal with him anymore.
Oh no, after this I'm not. Because no, that's wrong. If you told me like you could come Monday and pay it, yeah, and that's the whole thing. They called me, they was like, they called me when I first said to get work, I won't have no payment for May, but I will have the car payment for June. Then I talked to him Friday and said, well, I will be there Monday with the $300. And he asked me, so what about your tag? I said, I'm not worried about my tag. I go to the DMV and I'm going to get my own tag because $360 for my tag through you, I can't pay you that.
That's a whole other damn car payment.
Yeah. So that's why I said no. I told him I'm going to the DMV. I got to go pick it up, and that's just $130 instead of $360. No, that's wrong. Wrong as fuck. And I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Oh, I forgive you. You didn't do no damage. I ain't never had anybody do that. But what you done is hit that pole right there and it just went right through.
Yeah, but the only talking to people, I wouldn't have did that. I wouldn't have tried to take my car or nothing. Like, period. I wouldn't have tried to do that. If I talk to them and I'm thinking I'm okay, and somebody comes to just get my car, no. When I talk to y'all on the phone, no. That shit is dead wrong. Don't do that to me.
And you right.
At all.
Alright.
I'm glad I didn't get you again.
I'm glad you alright.
He was standing there between the wall and the truck. He's like,
That's why we fucked up. Come on now, I'm black.
Then all of a sudden she goes, boom! I was,
Any woman get behind the wheel of a car
Oh, yeah, you
and they
better
pissed,
watch
I'm trying to get the fuck
Yeah,
out
I
of the
was
way.
very pissed.
I was like, I can't believe I hooked it, and she's still gonna try to drive off.
I didn't know what the hell she was looking for.
That's not me. I am a good person.
You're good.
Girl,
You're
go
good.
to sleep, get up, go to pay.
Another one bites the dust, baby. Another one bites the dust. On to the next. Crazy, crazy, crazy one. Like I said, hit that subscribe button. Might have to buy me another camera. My GoPro 3 is acting up, so I had to go back to one of my old cameras. You'll see the GoPro 3 at the beginning, and it moves to another GoPro Hero. So, all right, it is what it is. Have to keep on moving. Just hit the truck. I ain't too much worried about it. I mean, it didn't do no damage. So we're just gonna go on to the next. On to the next.
She said, please, and I'm gonna tell her what you're gonna tell me. You gonna tell her?
I had to. Cause I'm
The damage.
The damage.
I was in the truck, bro. I need my insurance card.
The damage, man. I'm gonna have to, man.
Damn, that's a whole new truck, ain't it? Well, new van.
All right, man. What you got to say about that one?
Man, oh fucking man. She hit that nigga truck. Well, I thought she was trying to kill me.
I ain't never had nobody hit the truck. I mean, like I said, I've seen them drive off the phones, but that's crazy. I hope I got it on video. We'll see. On to the next. Hit that subscribe button, y'all. Come on now.